Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to Beauties of B. I hope you all are doing well. So I'm back again with another DIY video. I know I'm doing too much of DIYs. Actually, I just wanted to do some pampering session for myself and I wanted to include you all. I wanted you all to know what I do to take care of my skin, my hair, my lips and everything. So we all have I am an absolute lover for lipstick. I crave for lipstick. Like I cannot imagine myself going out without lipsticks because I love lipsticks. But we all know those those matte lipsticks that we use, like I do. I'm absolute lover of matte lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. They actually dry our lips very badly. They leave our lips like patchy, dull, black, dark and everything. So we need to take care of those of our lips. We need to scrub them regularly so that they are in proper shape and well maintained, so that our lipsticks can glide over very easily. So today I thought of doing a DIY, which I usually do on myself. I try it on myself every week, once a week at least. You should do it twice a week, but due to lack of time I do it once a week. So once a week at least to take care of my lips. So I have again very simple ingredients. You can get it in your kitchen, and the star of this DIY is Nescafe. It's coffee. So coffee, I know I love coffee as it is, and you must also be loving coffee. There will be at least someone of you who love coffee. So this DIY is like too yummy kind of. Anyways, you need 3 to 4 ingredients for this. First is sugar. Sugar will help you scrub off those dry flaky skin from your lips, but it will just get rid of all those flaky skin that are there on our lips. Then we need a little bit of honey. See, I have taken a little bit of honey, a drop of honey. It'll moisturize our lips, like all the moisture and due to a lot of liquid and dry lipsticks that we use nowadays, our lips go very dry, so all the moisture will be restored back with the honey. And coffee is very good. It is an anti-aging ingredient. It stops aging. It helps to fight aging, and yes, our lips do age too. And more than that, because of too much of lipsticks, our lips tend to get dark, and coffee would help reducing that. It is really good to use coffee as a scrub. I have also done a lot of face masks using coffee, so you can check those. And today also I would be using coffee. I'll not use a lot. I'll just use a pinch of it, not a lot. I'll show you. I've used this much of coffee, not a lot. Now you need to mix these ingredients together. Now that we have taken all the ingredients, now we need something to mix them. So what would you do? You can always take olive oil to mix all the ingredients and it would work for you. But I do take olive oil, but sometimes here and there I do take rose water as well. Currently, I'm sorry, I don't have olive oil. That's the reason why I'm using rose water to mix all the ingredients together. Make sure that you mix them really well, because coffee do make clumps. You will see that coffee will form clumps, and that makes it very difficult for you to apply this on your lips. Mix it really well. This is the sound of the sugar crystals. Okay, now what you need to do is apply it. It's really yummy. That you use the sugar crystals. Leave this on for at least 2-3 minutes on your lips. Let the moisture seep into your lips, and after 2-3 minutes, let's assume 4 minutes, just wash it off normally with cold water. Don't do anything, just wash it off normally, but let this moisture seep into your lips till then. Now I've washed the entire mixture from my lips. As you can see, it's much more softer, the cracks are gone, it's well nourished. Now this is the final step. Use a lip balm of your choice. Make sure that your lip balm has SPF, and always remember this: before you apply any lipstick, apply lip balm. What you can do is start your makeup by applying lip balm first, then do entire face, and before putting your lipstick you can remove your lip balm. Your lip is well plumped up and well moisturized, and then you can put your lipstick. Do not forget lip balm, it is very important, and try using lipsticks from a better price range. Yeah, I'm sorry, but that is true. Lipsticks are very important for us, but the quality of lipstick we use, that is also very important. Make sure you use lipstick with SPF in them so that it doesn't spoil your lips. So now we have come to this last step. I would just put lip balm. I love this. This is, I think, Watermelon Pop from Maybelline Baby Lips. They can never stop surprising me. I love their Baby Lips collection. Anyways, with that, I come to the end of this step. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button. You know the drill. Please do share it with your friends, and do leave your lovely comments in the comment section below. Links to my previous videos will be given in the description box. Please do check them and leave your lovely comments in the comment section. And if you have any requests for any other video, then please write to me. I would get back to you all. I would love doing that for you all. If you're someone visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay tuned, stay happy, and keep smiling. Love you all. Bye bye.